Welcome friends. In my previous videos you already understand about how inheritance works. But today and upcoming videos I will clarify you how there are different types of inheritance and what is the role of each and every inheritance. So in this video we are going to types of inheritance. So let's begin. Okay, so first of all, the primary, beginning inheritance we called as a single inheritance. So what is single inheritance? There is a one parent class and there is a another child class. So parent class is already exist and the new class which will be created is called as a child class. Okay, so here single inheritance, this is the class A and this is the class B, and here whatever you have to discuss means declare here, that's a class A, and here is a class B, and class B extends all the properties or you reused all the properties of class A. Okay, so this is called a single inheritance. Single inheritance. Then we comes out as a another called as a multi-level inheritance. From next onwards we discuss about multi-level and different other inheritance. So this inheritance is called as a multi-level. So there is not a limit. You can multiple levels of child classes you can create also. So first class is called a class A. This is class A. Okay, this is class A. Then class B, then here that is class C. Okay, so class A is extends here, B extends A, then here C extends B. Fine. So here not a limit, class C also we can extend the class D. Okay, so class D extends class C and C extends B, B extends A, means that's called as a reuse all the properties of parent with the child class B with also child class, that is called a C. So here A is the parent, when that is a B is coming then A is the parent and B is the child. When C is coming then B is the parent, C is the child. Okay, so this is the way the relation is going on. So here this inheritance is called a multi-level inheritance. Here is not a limit, you have to decide create another class D that is also extends C and another class E that is extends D. Okay, multi level inheritance. Okay, multi-level inheritance. Then comes out as a single multi-level, then hierarchical inheritance. Then is called a hierarchical inheritance. Okay, what is the work of hierarchical inheritance? So there is a one class. Okay, there is a one class and that class use all the properties by other classes like class B, class C, class D. Okay, in this way. So this called as a what type of class? This is generally called a hierarchical. Okay, this is called a hierarchical inheritance. Inheritance. ठीक है? Okay, hierarchical inheritance. This is class A. Fine, class A. Then this is class B. Class C, class D. A, B, C and D. Here B, C, D, you can also extend the properties. B also extends here another class E. Okay, so you can extend here in like this. So that's why it is called a hierarchical inheritance. Okay, then class E. Fine. So this is a hierarchical, and in this hierarchical inheritance, that is class, here parent class is the A, and that parent class will be used as a reused by the B and reused by the C. Okay, reused by the B and the C. Fine. Understand how it is work? Now next we move on to important inheritance type, that is called as a multiple and a hybrid inheritance. Okay, upcoming videos I also explain about how multi-level, hierarchical, multiple and hybrid inheritance work. So let's watch my videos, and please, if you like this video, please subscribe and share as number of your friends and families if they want to learn and start Python class. Okay, so let's move on. Fine. Then now I go move on to the as a multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. Okay, multiple inheritance. So in this inheritance, there is a one parent. Suppose one parent, and there is a two children. Okay, there is a two children. Okay, one parent and two children. Fine. Okay, just a minute. Just I will change these diagrams. Suppose there is a two children, two parents. There is a two parents and one children. Okay, most of the cases multiple inheritance not supported clearly like C++, Java, but Python supports directly. There is nothing create any issue, so you can use multiple inheritance also Python. And there is also issues created as a hybrid inheritance, and here because hybrid inheritance is the combination of two inheritance, that is a hierarchical inheritance and multiple inheritance, and there is not creating any issues. Okay, in a Python case, if you go for the C++ and Java, there is a different types of ways we can declare multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. But when you go for the C++, there is a virtual keyword is used when you are going to implement multiple inheritance, and when we are going to implement multiple inheritance in the case of Java, there is also defined as an interface. Okay, the interface is the class, and that's a template which also helps you to execution of a hybrid inheritance. Fine. So here I will explain you about multiple inheritance. So there is a class A, class B, and there is a class C. Okay, so class A, then class B, class C, and here class C used the properties of both parent class, which is not possible in other cases, but here is a possible. That's why I am explaining you. Fine. Okay, so this is called a multiple inheritance. Then next comes out called as a hybrid. Okay, hybrid inheritance. What is the work of hybrid inheritance? Inside hybrid inheritance, there is a hierarchical combination of hierarchical with multiple. How you could know? Let's see. So first of all, there is a parent. Okay, there is a two child. Okay, two child. And when we have to create another class, that is a parent. Okay, the both two childs are becoming a parent for accessing the property to the another child class. But child class is uses the properties of two parent class. Okay, so here we draw like this. Fine. And here class A, then comes to the class B, then here comes to the class C, D. Okay, class A, class B, class C, class D. Fine. Okay, so this is the way, this is the different types of inheritances which are declared inside the Python. So in upcoming videos, I will explaining about how these inheritance we are implement in a Python. Okay, that's all. I will recap the entire thing. The single inheritance, this is called a single. This is the multi-level. This is the hierarchical. Okay, and there is a multiple inheritance and there is a hybrid inheritance. So don't forget, please remember all these points because this is the repeated thing in C++, Java, Python, any object-oriented programming language. So don't forget about these basic concepts of inheritance and how to implement the classes inside classes work inside the inheritance and executions of that classes also. So if you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. Please, if you like this video, please share with your friends and please click on the subscribe button. When I am upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.